Welcome. In front of me is an INFINIX Note 40 Pro Plus, and today I'll show you how you can boot this device into recovery mode. So to get started, you will want to hold your power button, and from the boot options that will show up, select power off. Now when the device turns off, you want to hold your power button and volume up at the same time. When you see the logo, let go of the power button, though you probably want to do it a little bit quicker than I did. So press power button once more. There we go. So anyway, once you see the logo, let go of the power button, keep holding volume up. And then when you see this screen right over here, you can let go of the volume up. And to get past this, we're going to now press and hold power button and then press volume up while holding the power button. And this redirects us to the recovery mode. In here, you can use the volume buttons to navigate up or down, depending on which one you press, and the power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected. And going over the options, we have things like Reboot System Now, which takes us back to Android, Reboot to Bootloader, and Enter Fastboot Mode, which both of those options take us to Fastboot Mode. Then we have Apply Updates from SD card, Wipe Data, Mount System, View Logs, Run Tests, and Power Off. So in any case, I'm going to select the first option, Reboot System Now, confirm it, and like I mentioned before, this will now bring me back to Android. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.